You're probably familiar with Louisiana's Public Bid Law from some of our other videos. But now, I'm going to talk a little bit about an exception to that law. This exception is called the Political Subdivisions, Telecommunications, and Data Processing Procurement Law, or simply Revised Statute 38-2234 for short. Telecommunications and data processing equipment includes computers, cameras, water meters, telephone systems, and CAD systems. This law allows political subdivisions to lease, rent, or purchase telecommunications or data processing systems, including equipment-related services, through what's called a request for proposal, commonly known as an RFP. Using this RFP process is a permissive alternative to the public bid law that provides more flexibility when purchasing computers or other data systems and related services, especially when seeking to expand or add to existing systems. Procedures to use this RFP are contained in Revised Statute 38-2237. Notice of the RFP shall be given at least 30 days prior to the date scheduled for opening the RFP. This notice may be given to the general public via available electronic media. Written notice of the RFP shall be mailed to persons and corporations who are known to be in a position to furnish the equipment, systems, and related services. The RFP will indicate the relative importance of price and other evaluation factors, clearly define the task to be performed under the contract, list the functional specifications, explain the criteria to be used in evaluating the proposals, and the time frames within which the work must be completed. An award shall be made to the responsible offeror whose proposal is determined in writing by the governing authority of the political subdivision to be the most advantageous, considering price and other evaluation factors set forth in the RFP. Please note, unlike the provisions of the public bid law, the governing authority does not have to select the lowest proposal. It selects the most advantageous proposal based on the evaluation factors outlined in the RFP. The governing authority of the political subdivision may reject all proposals if doing so is deemed to be in its best interest. If vendors submit written proposals, the proposals of the successful vendor must be incorporated into the final contract. Remember, whether or not a political subdivision decides to use this RFP process for telecommunication and data processing systems is completely at their option. That is, they're not required to use this exception, but may choose to make such purchases in accordance with the public bid law or off-state contract. However, if the public bid law is used instead of this process, written notice of that fact must be given to all bidders, and that notice must clarify that the public bid law is being used and not the RFP exception. Learn more by visiting the legal FAQs at the Legislative Auditor's website at lla.la.gov. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for legal counsel. Please consult with your attorney before making any decisions.